You likely don't even notice it happening. One day, getting up from your favorite chair takes just a bit more effort. A few months later, climbing stairs leaves you winded. Simple movements gradually become challenging struggles. This isn't just normal aging, it's the silent thief of independence, leg muscle atrophy. Here's the alarming reality: when your legs weaken, your fall risk skyrockets. Your mobility diminishes, your balance deteriorates, and everything can change with just one fall: broken bones, hospital stays, and lost independence. But there's powerful news I need to share with you today. This decline is completely preventable with the right nutrition. Most people believe building muscle requires only exercise, but as you age, your body desperately needs specific nutrients to maintain bone density, repair muscle tissue, and keep your legs strong. Today, I'm revealing 6 powerful foods scientifically proven to strengthen leg muscles and halt weakness. You probably already have one in your kitchen right now, but you're likely not eating enough of it. Let me show you how these everyday foods can transform your mobility and keep you active for years to come. Athletes, bodybuilders, and physicians recommend eggs for good reason. These affordable powerhouses provide everything your legs need to stay strong and pain-free as you age. Here's why they're so effective. Eggs contain complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids, the exact building blocks your body needs to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, making simple activities like climbing stairs increasingly difficult. This happens because your body isn't regenerating muscle as efficiently as it once did. When you consume high-quality protein from eggs, you're providing your body exactly what it needs to halt muscle loss and even regain strength. But eggs offer something even more crucial: vitamin D. Most people don't realize vitamin D goes far beyond bone health. It's absolutely essential for muscle strength and coordination. Research shows low vitamin D levels directly correlate with weak muscles, poor balance, and increased fall risk. The frightening part: most people have no idea they're vitamin D deficient. This explains why many older adults experience joint pain, fatigue, and muscle weakness without understanding why. Eggs naturally contain this powerful vitamin, keeping your muscles active, your bones healthy, and your legs functioning smoothly. There's another little-known nutrient in eggs called choline that directly supports nerve-muscle connections. This means better communication between your brain and legs with every step you take. As you age, these signals can become less frequent, making you feel unsteady when walking on uneven ground. Choline maintains these crucial connections, ensuring your muscles and nerves work together to keep you strong, steady, and coordinated. Just 1 or 2 eggs daily can dramatically improve your leg strength and mobility. You can prepare them any way you prefer: boiled, scrambled, in vegetable omelets, or even blended into protein-rich smoothies. Consistency is key. Stronger muscles today mean stronger legs for years to come. While aging is inevitable, losing strength is a choice. Your muscles face a daily assault from an invisible enemy: oxidative stress. This unseen force accelerates aging, destroys joints, and weakens muscles. You experience it as persistent discomfort, stiffness, and that frustrating gradual loss of strength. The good news? You can fight back with one of nature's most powerful weapons: berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries aren't just delicious, they're muscle-protecting superfoods packed with antioxidants. Your body produces free radicals every day. These unstable molecules damage muscle cells, causing weakness, fatigue, and delayed recovery. When you were younger, your body effectively fought them off. But with age, your defenses weaken unless you provide proper support. Berries come to the rescue by neutralizing these harmful free radicals. Their potent antioxidants protect your muscles, accelerate healing, and help maintain leg strength over time. But there's a greater threat to leg strength than muscle loss: inflammation. Chronic inflammation silently erodes mobility, making every step more difficult, every movement more rigid, and every joint more painful. It can eventually lead to arthritis and permanent muscle atrophy. Berries contain compounds that actively reduce inflammation, easing joint pain, increasing flexibility, and keeping your legs moving smoothly. Most people think vitamin C only supports immunity, but it's actually crucial for muscle and joint health. Why? Because vitamin C fuels collagen production. Collagen forms the foundation of your muscles, tendons, and joints. It maintains their resilience, strength, and flexibility. As you age, your body produces less collagen, causing joints to feel stiff, muscles to become less firm, and recovery to take longer. Berries help restore balance by boosting collagen production, keeping your legs strong, your joints smooth, and your muscles tight. The key to maximizing these benefits is making berries a daily habit. Add blueberries to your morning yogurt or oatmeal. Blend them into muscle-nourishing smoothies. Enjoy them fresh as a convenient snack, or simmer them with a little water for a naturally sweet topping. The more consistently you eat them, the better protected your muscles and joints will be. Most people consider avocados just another trendy superfood, but this creamy green fruit holds the key to pain-free, stronger, and more flexible legs. When discussing muscle maintenance, protein typically gets all the attention. While protein is indeed essential, it's only part of the equation. Your muscles require healthy fats, a commonly overlooked nutrient, and avocados are among the world's best sources of muscle-strengthening lipids. As we age, inflammation becomes a silent enemy. At first, you might barely notice, just slight morning stiffness or mild discomfort after walking. But as inflammation progresses, movement becomes increasingly painful and difficult. This is where the monounsaturated fats in avocados become crucial. Unlike harmful fats that worsen inflammation, these beneficial fats actively reduce it. They keep your muscles relaxed, your joints supple, and your legs pain-free for as long as possible. The result? Less stiffness, reduced soreness, and greater flexibility in your movements. But there's more to the story. Every leg movement, standing, walking, running, is governed by muscle contractions. Most people don't get enough of the mineral essential for these contractions, potassium. Avocados contain more potassium than bananas, making them one of the best dietary sources. Why does this matter? Potassium ensures proper muscle function and prevents cramps. If you've ever experienced sudden leg tightness, woken with severe muscle spasms, or found your legs weakening with minimal exertion, low potassium may be the culprit. Without sufficient potassium, your muscles can't contract properly, leading to weakness, instability, and even balance issues. Avocados regulate these contractions, ensuring each step feels solid and steady. Let's discuss something even more important: muscle protection. With age, our muscles become more vulnerable to damage. Oxidative stress and minor injuries can hinder recovery, resulting in long-term muscle loss. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant abundant in avocados, protects your muscles from harm. It prevents long-term degeneration, speeds recovery, and restores muscle fibers. Think of it this way: your muscles experience daily wear and tear from walking, exercising, or even standing for extended periods. Vitamin E reduces this stress, keeping your legs strong over time. Incorporating avocados into your diet is surprisingly easy. Add slices to your morning toast. Blend them into smoothies for a nutrient-dense, creamy boost. Mash them into guacamole. Use them as a spread instead of butter. Enjoy them with just a pinch of salt and pepper, or add them to salads. Consistency is key. One avocado monthly won't make a difference, but incorporating them regularly will transform your mobility. Your muscles need fuel, not just any fuel, but the kind that endures. The type that doesn't quickly burn out, leaving you weak and exhausted midday. This is exactly what sweet potatoes provide. As you age, your body's ability to efficiently store and use energy decreases. Your muscles may not respond as quickly. You might tire more easily. Even simple tasks like carrying groceries or climbing stairs become more challenging than they once were. Strength alone isn't enough. You need endurance, and sweet potatoes are one of the best foods to provide it. Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbohydrates that break down gradually, releasing energy steadily over time. Unlike processed carbs like white bread or pasta that cause rapid blood sugar spikes followed by energy crashes, these carbohydrates ensure your muscles receive consistent nourishment throughout the day. This helps you stay active by avoiding sudden highs and lows. Energy alone isn't sufficient. If your muscles don't recover properly, they'll gradually weaken. With each step in movement, your muscles undergo microscopic tears. When you were younger, your body repaired these easily. But with age, that process slows down. Poor nutrition hampers muscle recovery, causing stiffness, discomfort, and progressive muscle loss. Sweet potatoes contain abundant vitamin A vital antioxidant that aids muscle tissue repair. Over time, this results in stronger legs, reduced discomfort, and faster recovery. Your muscles remain more flexible and responsive rather than waking up with achy, stiff legs. Stronger recovery translates to stronger movements, and stronger movements translate to independence. Chronic inflammation, one of the primary causes of age-related muscle loss, gradually weakens muscle fibers. It accumulates over years, making daily tasks increasingly difficult. The anti-inflammatory compounds in sweet potatoes help fight this invisible enemy. Their beta-carotene helps your body handle oxidative stress, which accelerates cellular aging and damages tissues, muscles, and joints. The more you can resist it, the better your muscles will function. Potassium, one of the most underappreciated nutrients for leg strength, is essential for nerve transmission, muscle contractions, and hydration. Low potassium levels can result in weakness, cramps, and increased fall risk. Sweet potatoes provide abundant potassium, keeping your muscles responsive, strong, and coordinated. Most people don't realize muscle strength is closely linked to gut health. If your digestive tract isn't properly absorbing nutrients, your muscles aren't getting the fuel they need. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber, which maintains gut health by improving digestion and nutrient absorption. A healthy gut more effectively utilizes proteins, vitamins, and minerals to maintain strong muscles. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet is remarkably simple. Bake them as fries, mash them, or roast them. Add them to smoothies, soups, and salads. They pair well with almost anything, are naturally delicious, and won't leave you feeling bloated or lethargic like processed carbs do. Including sweet potatoes in your diet is one of the easiest and most effective dietary changes you can make if you want to keep climbing, moving, and standing strong well into your senior years. What if I told you there's a food that could help you build muscle, reduce pain, and maintain strong legs for years to come? Salmon does exactly that. This isn't just any protein, it's among the best things your body can consume, and your muscles need more of it as you age. With every step in movement, your muscles continuously break down and rebuild. Here's the problem: your body's ability to regenerate muscle tissue decreases with age. Your legs begin to feel weaker. Climbing stairs becomes more challenging. Even standing up after sitting becomes difficult. Most people don't realize this is happening. They simply notice their strength isn't what it used to be. Salmon's high protein content provides your muscles with the essential building blocks they need to remain robust and energetic. Each bite repairs muscle fibers, keeping your legs strong and capable. But salmon offers far more than just protein. It's one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which provide tremendous benefits for your muscles. As you age, your muscles and joints become inflamed, causing leg pain, knee stiffness, and even excruciating pain during movement. Omega-3 fatty acids combat inflammation at its source, keeping joint pain minimal, muscles flexible, and leg movement smooth. These healthy fats also improve blood flow, ensuring your muscles receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function optimally. Legs with poor circulation feel sluggish, heavy, and exhausted. Better blood flow keeps them strong and energized. Most people don't realize that omega-3s also improve nerve function. Have you noticed your legs don't move as quickly as they once did? Nerve signals slow down over time, but omega-3 fatty acids maintain those connections, allowing your legs to move and react more readily. Salmon is also rich in B vitamins, particularly B12, which your body uses to produce energy. Without sufficient B vitamins, your muscles lack the strength they need to function. This explains why people deficient in B12 often experience weakness, sluggishness, and fatigue. Salmon replenishes that energy, allowing your legs to move more easily, walk farther, and climb higher. Strong legs are impossible without a strong heart, and salmon helps with that too. Its omega-3s help keep your arteries clear, improve blood pressure, and reduce bad cholesterol. This translates to better endurance, oxygen delivery, and circulation. The reality is that poor circulation leads to weak muscles. Your legs need a constant flow of oxygen-rich blood. If your heart isn't pumping effectively, your muscles won't receive the nutrition they need and will begin to deteriorate. When your heart is strong, your legs remain powerful. You don't need to eat salmon daily to benefit. Even 2 or 3 servings weekly can make a significant difference. Try adding it to salads, roasting, or grilling it. For a simple, quick meal rich in muscle-building nutrients, serve salmon with roasted vegetables and olive oil. For something lighter, a fresh salad with salmon, avocado, and leafy greens provides all the nutrients your legs need in one meal. If you're short on time, canned salmon works just as well. Simply mix it with spices, lemon juice, and olive oil for a quick protein boost. If you want to continue moving, walking, and climbing with confidence, salmon is one of the best foods you can eat. Oats are often dismissed as a boring breakfast choice. But what if these humble grains could be the key to stronger, more resilient legs? One of the first things we notice as we age is how quickly our legs tire. Climbing stairs becomes more difficult. Standing for extended periods wears you out. Worst of all, muscle weakness begins to develop, making even simple movements challenging. This isn't solely due to aging, it's about how we fuel our muscles. Your legs need energy to keep moving, not just any energy, but consistent, long-lasting fuel that sustains you without crashing. This is where oats excel. Unlike refined grains that spike blood sugar levels and leave you exhausted, oats have a low glycemic index. They release energy gradually, keeping you active and preventing sudden fatigue. Have you noticed feeling exhausted and lethargic in the afternoon? This happens because most people rely on processed foods that quickly deplete their energy. Oats maintain steady energy levels, preventing your muscles from failing when you need them most. The benefits extend beyond energy. Protein is essential for the strong muscles that make up your legs. Without sufficient protein, these muscles deteriorate over time, resulting in weakness, instability, and balance problems. The plant-based protein in oats helps maintain and repair muscle fibers. While not as robust as animal sources, it's vital for maintaining healthy legs. Circulation, often overlooked, is crucial for leg strength. Oxygen-rich blood must continuously flow through your legs to keep them strong and mobile. Poor circulation results in weaker muscles, slower recovery, and increased risk of cramps and fatigue. Oats help with this by providing iron, an essential mineral that aids oxygen transport throughout your body. If you've experienced weakness, lightheadedness, or noticed your legs tiring more quickly than usual, iron deficiency may be the cause. Without sufficient iron, your muscles feel lethargic and exhausted because they aren't receiving the oxygen they need. Magnesium, another essential mineral for healthy legs, prevents cramps, spasms, and that excruciatingly heavy sensation. If you've ever woken in the night with a terrible leg cramp, your body is likely begging for more magnesium. Eating oats regularly is a simple, natural way to keep your muscles relaxed and cramp-free. The best part, oats are incredibly versatile. You don't have to eat the same boring porridge every morning. Add them to smoothies for extra energy. Sprinkle them over yogurt with berries for a muscle-fueling snack. Bake them into homemade protein bars. Most people overlook simple solutions, searching for complex answers when proper nutrition is the key to strength, endurance, and mobility. Oats provide exactly what your legs need to remain pain-free, powerful, and energized. Don't underestimate the power of this simple grain. If you're serious about maintaining your mobility, start incorporating oats into your daily diet. Your legs are your foundation. When they weaken, everything else follows. But you're not helpless. By including these 6 foods in your diet, you're providing your muscles with the exact nutrition they need to remain strong, stable, and energized. This means greater mobility, independence, and vitality for years to come. I want to hear from you now. Which of these foods are you already eating? Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to receive weekly health tips that can transform your life. Turn on notifications so you never miss our essential health advice. Watch our next video to discover more powerful nutrients that combat aging and keep you strong, healthy, and active.